My name is Drew Furnes. I am a project engineer out of the Lyman CDOT office. I've been with CDOT for a little over 6 years, and I was the project engineer for the State Highway 71 project just south of Punpkin Center and north of Ordway. We were out there to replace a failing asphalt roadway. To do that, we FDR'd or full depth reclamation the whole road and then overlaid it with two-inch lifts of HMA or hot mix asphalt. It was originally slated to be a 105-day working contract that would go over the summer of 2022. But due to weather delays and some other things that came up during the project, it turned out to be a 2-season job for the summer of 2022 and the summer of 2023. And it ended up being a total of 124 working days. And we did have a winter shutdown in the middle of the project. We did have to amend the contract. We did have to add in a winter shutdown for that. The goal of the project was to take a failing asphalt roadway that ran in mostly agricultural areas that was used by farm equipment and farm trucks to get their products to the grain elevators on the north and south side of the road and restore that road into a much better condition. The existing road had multiple maintenance patches that were laid over it and potholes and deterioration through different parts of it until the goal of the project was to replace all of that and give the traveling public, as well as the farmers and harvest operators, a much smoother and more efficient road to drive their products on and just travel. There were some safety improvements that we did on the project. That was not the main goal of the project, but we did add some additional signage around some of the curves for the traveling public just to kind of alert them that a curve was coming up and to pay attention. But other than that, we did not improve any other safety aspects. So out here on the Eastern Plains of Colorado, we kind of have a different set of stakeholders than the typical Front Range Colorado project would have, or even the Western Slope project. Our road out here is in a very rural area. And so the majority of our users of the road are locals and as well as farmers and ranchers in the area that use that to haul their cattle from different pastures, as well as grain from the field to the grain elevators. So the majority of our stakeholders were a few sets of locals who lived on the actual road and used it to travel, county commissioners who were also part of the area where the road transits, as well as a few county commissioners in Lincoln County. And we did have some additional stakeholders, Colorado State Patrol, CDOT Maintenance, and some of the usual folks that we have on all of our projects.